John Graham from Promomotive. I'm the CEO of Promomotive and Promo Crunch. I want to take this time just to give you a thumbnail version of what we do. We're a supplier of promotional and business supplies that truly manufactures everything we sell. We work with factories from around the world, and we do unique and unusual work. If you're looking for something that you can't find anywhere else, you want to replicate, you want to duplicate, you want to find an item that's been discontinued, you want to find a marketing idea that is in your head, we're the guys to come to. Call Promomotive at 1-888-908-1481 or email inquiry@promomotive.com and we'll get back to you right away. Sorry for the video being a little bit, lame, but we can make your life better, we can make your marketing great, and we can save you some money. That's what we do. Thanks. Bye.